What a pleasant day, everyone! We are the Group 10, and today we are going to discuss the new literacies and social learning. I hope that all of you are in good condition and in good shape right now, because today is another colorful day for us to be together again. This is our group. First, yours truly, Selwinio Miranda. Next one is Miss Nicole May Saplaco. And third one is Miss Marbeline Joy Villamar. I'm your first reporter for today. Once again, my name is Selwin, the cutie chinito of Barangay Dimasalang Norte. New literacies and social learning. Let's talk about first what is new literacies. It refers to the new forms of literacy made possible by digital technology developments. The new literacies encompass much more. Their utility lies in online reading comprehension and learning skills, or 21st century skills, required by the internet and other information and communication technologies, or ICT. Here are the common examples of new literacies. First is messaging. Messaging is a text-based, one-to-one conversation that usually occurs on a mobile device or platform like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS text messaging, and many more. Second is blogging. Blogging refers to writing, photography, and other media that self-publish online. Blogging started as an opportunity for individuals to write diary-style entries, but it has since been incorporated into websites for many businesses. Third is social networking. Refers to the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both, through sites like Facebook, Twitter, Link, and Instagram. Fourth is podcasting. Podcasting is a largely free service that allows internet users to pull audio files, typically MP3s, from a podcasting website to listen to on their computers, smartphones, or personal digital audio players. Fifth is photo sharing. Instead of people publishing pictures in hard copy and exhibiting to friends over a cup of tea, photo sharing websites allows users to upload their image to share with their online friends or indeed the entire web. Whatever device was used to capture the image, users can publish anything. Six is digital storytelling. Digital storytelling uses multimedia tools to bring narratives to life. Digital stories can be used to explain a concept, to reflect on a personal experience, to retell a historical event, or to make an argument. Digital stories are typically videos that combine audio, image, and video clips to tell a story. And last, conducting online searches. A search engine is a software program that helps people find the information they are looking for online using keywords or phrases. Search engines are able to return results quickly even with millions of websites online by scanning the internet continuously and indexing every page they find.
David Way students, I'm Nicole May Saplaco, your small but really helpful teacher. And the topic that I will discuss is social learning and the types of it. But first, let's define social learning. Social learning is defined as a learning through the observation of others people behaviors. Nandiyan na yung word na social and learning. We learn about communication, socialization, and observations of people. It is a process of social change in which people learn from each other in ways that can benefit wider social ecological systems. Individuals learn by observing the behaviors of others. Then they evaluate the effect of those behaviors by observing the positive and negative consequences that follow. Evident examples of social learning theory in everyday life are those demonstrated by children regularly. They imitate their siblings, friends, parents, and any famous figures whom they look up to. Na-adapt natin yung mga behaviors, cultures, attitude. Siyempre, unang-una dyan yung sa family natin kung saan tayo nagmula. Friends, co-workers, and also kasama din yung mga favorite nating artists, writers, singers, and dancers na ina-idolize natin. Now, let's proceed the two types of social learning. First is operant conditioning. Operant conditioning, sometimes referred to as instrumental conditioning, is a method of learning that employs reward and punishment for behavior. Through operant conditioning, as an association is made between a behavior and a consequence, whether negative or positive for that behavior. Example, parents use positive reinforcement with their child for completing their chores with a piece of candy. Another example pa sa bahay, kapag sinabi ng nanay mo na, anak, bumili ka nga ng mantika, sa'yo na yung split. Siyempre, ikaw naman, sundin mo si nanay kasi may reward ka kapag bumili ka ng mantika. The child start associating chores with candy or any reward. As a result, they complete their chores more reliably in the hopes of earning more candy and other rewards. Sino ba naman ang tatanggi kapag may na-accomplish ka na isang bagay ay may reward kang matatanggap? Classroom using operant conditioning. In the classroom can may be beneficial in many ways, but the most important effect, at least from the teacher perspective, is the establishment of classroom management techniques. Using operant conditioning can give students immediate feedback about their behavior. When the teacher rewards positive behavior, other students are more likely to copy that behavior to earn their reward.
Next is modeling. Modeling is not quite as simple as monkey see, monkey do. It's actually a complex process that involves observing a behavior performed by another person. For example, a model, retaining what you observe and then reproducing the behavior on your own. We do what we see. Para mas maintindihan natin, let's give an example. Think of the first time you visited your favorite coffee shop. Ayan, nasa coffee shop ka and first time mo. Self-service yung coffee shop na na-observe mo yung ibang customers ay pumupunta sa isang counter kung saan doon yung kinukuha yung cup ng kape. Nung nakita mo na yun, na-observe mo na, syempre yun na din yung gagawin mo. So yung model natin dito is yung mga other customers na nandun. If you learn this by watching other customers locate the cup of coffee, then you learn through modeling. We learn new behaviors through modeling all the time.
Now, let's jump on the types of social skills. Anytime you interact with another person, you're using social skills in some way. Strong social skills can help you build and maintain successful relationships professionally and personally. The first type of social skills is effective communication. The ability to communicate effectively with others is a core of social skill. If you have strong communication skills, you'll be able to share your thoughts, ideas clearly with others. Effective communicators make good leaders because they can explain projects and goals in an easy to understand way. Number 2 is conflict resolution. Disagreement and dissatisfaction can arise in any situation. Conflict resolution is the ability to get to the source of the problem and find a workable resolution. Problem-solving skills help you to determine the source of a problem and find an effective solution. Next is number 3, active listening. Active listening is the ability to pay close attention to a person who is communicating with you. Active listeners are typically well regarded by their coworkers due to the attention and respect they offer to others. You can increase your listening skills by focusing on the speaker, avoiding distraction, and waiting to prepare your response only after the other person is finished, rather than while they are speaking. Number 4 is empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and identify with the feelings of another person. If you have empathy, others will often be more likely to confide in you. Being more empathetic takes a conscious effort to carefully consider how others feel. If you strengthen your empathy and rapport with others, you can build stronger, more respectful, and open relationships. For the summarization of our report, new literacies refer to new forms of literacy made possible by digital technology developments. Commonly recognized examples include instant messaging, blogging, social networking, podcasting, photo sharing, digital storytelling, and conducting online searches. Next is social learning. This is important because life and work is social. Social learning helps replicate the realities that learners are likely to face when they are required to make actual decisions and solve actual problems in the workplace. The main idea of social learning is that we do what we see. Basically, behavior is learned from our environment through observation. The two types of social learning. We have operant conditioning and modeling. The types of social skills. Number 1 is effective communication. Next is conflict resolution. Next is active listening, empathy, relationship management, respect, problem solving, and last, interpersonal skills. It is essential to have a good development of the social skills to have both a positive attitude and to solve the conflicts that may arise. Social skills are important because they can help you to communicate more effectively and efficiently. And as a result, it helps you to build, maintain, and grow relationships with colleagues, friends, family, and society. I really appreciate your attention for today. And that brings us to an end. I'd like to thank you for your time and interest. Thank you!